Hi, my loves, welcome back to Lavendaire. Lately, I've been spending all day on the computer, working long hours on the workbook launch and this busy season, neglecting other areas of my life. I really needed to carve out some space to get my life together again. One habit that I've neglected is meditation, so I wanted to start with that today. First, we gotta set the mood. I'm putting on the Spotify playlist called Yoga and Meditation, which is one of my favorites. I always start with gratitude and some deep breaths. Today, I'm centering my mind on peace and balance. Here's the affirmation that came to me during meditation today. I align with the highest, grandest version of me. I align with the highest, grandest version of me. As I repeated this affirmation in my mind, I felt my energy lift up. I'm planning to do yoga later today, so I'm just changing into my workout clothes to set myself up for success later. Now I'm heading to the kitchen to make my fruit bowl for lunch. Today's bowl consists of blueberries, papaya, and pineapple. I know it's a random mix, but I had these fruits prepped in my fridge already, so it was just easy to throw this together. You guys know that this is my dedicated fruits and reading time, so I'm excited to open my new box from Book of the Month. Thanks to Book of the Month for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know, Book of the Month is a super popular online book service for readers. Their mission is to promote new and emerging authors and help readers discover books they love. Their team vets hundreds of books each month, allowing you to choose from a curated selection of new titles so you can spend more time reading and less time researching. I chose The Office of Historical Corrections by Daniel Evans as my book this month because it's a collection of short stories that features Black and multiracial characters speaking on race, culture, and history. I read great reviews on this, and so far I'm really enjoying it. Book of the Month is risk-free. You can skip any month, anytime, and you won't be charged. If you're interested in trying it out, you can use the code BOOKWISH to get your first book for just $5. You can find the link down below. It was nice to spend some time reading today since I haven't made the time to do this lately. Reading is a habit that always nourishes me, even though I neglect it often. When I make time to read, I feel more calm and peaceful in my life. So today I'm reminded to restart this positive habit. Next, I'm doing a short yoga session. I haven't moved my body as much this year. I definitely was a lot more motivated to exercise at the beginning of quarantine, and later I just slowed down. So when I get busier, I tend to neglect exercise. So today I'm making it a point to do yoga again. Yoga is like showering. If you do it once in a while, great. If you do it more consistently, even better. It gives you the cleansing and grounding you really need for your mind, body, and soul. Anyway, when I'm consistent with a yoga routine, I 100% feel like I have my life together. I'm curious, what is that one thing for you? One thing, if done consistently, that would make you feel like you have your life together. Comment down below. After taking care of myself, my mind, and my body, I definitely need to take care of my physical space. Things have gotten a little messy as usual, so it's time to give more attention and care to my space and create an environment that feels clean, organized, and peaceful. What I've noticed about decluttering and cleaning is that although I don't feel like doing it often, once I get started, I'm on a roll and I want to keep going. I'll tell myself I'll just clean this one area or just clean for 10 minutes, and soon enough, I find myself on a cleaning rampage. Today, I told myself I'd just clean the living room and fold the clothes in my room. After that, I unexpectedly decided to clean my bathroom and even do a couple loads of laundry. Like I said, once I get started, I just want to keep going. It just feels really great when you have a clean and neat space. I'm not the best at keeping it clean all the time, but I love that reset feeling when everything is put back in its place. I had to stop myself at some point because I needed to spend some time answering emails. Emails are another thing that always seem to pile on endlessly. Today, I just blocked out some time to tackle my inbox, catching up on emails all at once. The cleaner my inbox, the better I feel. Later after dinner, I decided to keep cleaning, so here I'm just vacuuming everything upstairs. I also changed out our bed sheets, which is something that we've procrastinated on for a while, and I kind of got tired doing this midway, so I'm thankful to Wilson for picking up where I left off. Of course, no day is complete without ending it with skincare. Skincare is honestly one of my best habits. I think why I've been so consistent with it is because it physically feels like I've ended my day and that I'm nourishing myself. And also because I've stacked that habit right after brushing my teeth and before going to bed. If you guys haven't heard of it yet, habit stacking is a really effective way to build a consistent habit like how I am with skincare. If you want to learn more about building lasting habits, you can watch my video on how to build a habit by clicking the card or finding the link down below. I hope you find the time to nourish yourself and all the areas of life you may have neglected. Use this final month of 2020 to take care, prepare, and get in the right headspace for 2021. And don't forget to check out the new 2021 Artist of Life workbook, a guided journal that I created to help you plan your most intentional and inspiring year. The link is down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm sending you all so much love. Bye!